Hey y'all, in this video you will see me unboxing my gifts. I received them on my birthday, which was July the 29th. Unfortunately, I didn't have the time to share with you guys what I got, and I just wanted to put together a video to share what I got for my birthday and say thank you to everyone that did buy me something. And I promised them that I was gonna make a video and I wanted to enjoy opening them. So I just waited until all of them came in the mail, and now I'm going to show you guys what I got. And yeah, hope you like it. Well, not really, because it's what I wanted, not what you want. So let's just get into it and see what I got. I'm so appreciative to everything, but y'all gonna have to check it out and see for yourself. Hope you like the video. Hey y'all, I know I'm late. I'm so sorry, but I was mad busy with the baby shower, my son's baby shower, and I just like pushed my birthday to the side so that we can celebrate my son and his new first child. So, but here we go. So I'm about to do my little unboxing of my gifts. I don't know who bought what. I never opened them. So this is the first one. Let's see. This is coconut coal, charcoal. And it says, "Happy birthday, Ma. You know your girl had to get you right, from Asaya, the favorite child, of course." Thank you, Saya. And it came with a little cleaner. All right, and this one says, this is from Asaya also. So, hold up, y'all. It came in a nice little black case. This is the hose. And it's a portable hookah. It's a portable hookah. And it comes with like LED lights that go inside. You could change it, the colors. A little remote control and everything. Thank you, Saya. Thank you, girl. You know how to spoil your mom. Thank you, beautiful. Hold on. I'm trying to move fast, y'all. Okay, y'all. So let me let y'all know too. We had so many gifts coming in here. Some was for my son and some was for me. And the ones for my son, some of them came in my gift box. So I might pull out some baby stuff, but it's okay. I got another beautiful bag. I wonder who this is from. This is really pretty, right? Ain't that cute? Happy birthday, love you, enjoy your day, from Dad and Mom. Dad and Mom Atkins. What? That's cute, right? I love them. All right, hold on. Mom, this bag cute. This is cute. All right, let me just rip this thing open, y'all. I'm playing too much. Oh, gosh. Hold on. I love it. This is super cute, right, y'all? This is super cute. I think this like a fall bag, right? Like, it's giving me fall because I got some like sweaters, nice sweaters and stuff like that to go with this. This is super duper cute. Thank you, Ma. I know you picked it out, Daddy. I know you just gave the money probably and Mommy picked it out. It's cute. I love it. Thank y'all so much. I really appreciate it. And it's another package in here. I don't know what this is. Hold up. Because this was in the same box. So, I don't know. Oh, no. This is another gift from somebody else, I think. Y'all. I don't even know, y'all. But anyway, let's check and see what it is. All Alright, so I finally got that package open, and it's basically a suitcase cover, y'all, with my name on it. You see it? Oh, yes, yes. This is so cute. It's a suitcase cover. So, yeah, we can't get the suitcases confused at the airports. Yeah, that's mine. Thank you, Atia. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, all that's me. All right, girl. On to the next. Honey. Ooh. Hold on now. Oh, wait a minute, y'all. By the time I get out, the daggone video will be over. Okay. This says, all right, got it open. This is from Zakia and my godchildren. My bestie, Zakia. Thank you so much, girl. I love it. She gave me a paraffin wax machine, so I can keep my hands and my feet and my elbows nice and soft and smooth. So I love the paraffin wax machine, girl. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Y'all did good this year. Loving it. All right, girl. I got something else. Trying to hurry up because I don't want too much of a video. I don't know who sent this. They didn't send a gift like message. So thank you. So this is a pink case for my my MacBook. Thank you, whoever bought this. I guess I'll could find out later who bought it, but thank you to whomever bought me this this case. And it comes with a bag, I guess, to go with it too. Cause I see something in there. But thank you, whoever bought me this. Thank you. Pink is one of my favorite colors. What's this, girl? What's this? Well, my little knife, my little shank. Look, you can tell I ain't never used it before. Hold on. What's this? Oh, somebody bought me a little chain that say mom. How much I bet me it's probably Amaya. It probably was Amaya. It says mom. Let me see if I can get it open for y'all. I done dropped the damn. Girl, hold on. Okay. So it has a nice little pendant. It says mom. And it got the chain to go with it. So I bet you it probably was Amaya. I bet you. Thank you. I love it. I will be putting this on shortly. Thank you, Noonie Butt. I get my kids' names mixed up all the time, y'all. Who else do that? God, I just messed my elbow up on the edge of this daggone wall. What's this? Who sent me this? Y'all gotta get better with the daggone messages now. I don't know who sent this. But they sent me packing cubes. I requested packing cubes. These packing cubes, I need these. So this is for when I'm traveling. And I could be able, it comes with like a set of packing cubes. So it doesn't say how many, but that's what these are for traveling. And it goes in your suitcase so that it gets like compact your clothes and stuff like that, so you can have room in your suitcase. So that's what these are, packing cubes. Love it, need it, because I'm out. Okay, I'm late. I'm supposed to be gone already. I'm late. But we ain't mad at it though, because the grandbaby is first. For right now. What's this? Oh! Nordstrom? $100? Y'all, I don't know. like who sent this Nordstrom card. I'm gonna find out who sent these gifts. Yeah, you gotta hear from me personally. Ain't no video. Who sending stuff like this? Who did it? Thank you. I love you. Y'all know me. Thank you. Look at God. Look at God. You feel me? You know? Off to the mall. Keep your gift a surprise. Unwrap your present before opening this envelope. I'm glad I read the envelope. All right. And it's a pretty bag. Look at this bag, y'all. Ain't that cute? Hold up. It's a card on here. Hold on. Let me tell y'all. It says, congratulations, Sylvana and Sahir. I don't have a doubt that you guys will be great parents. Wishing you a happy, smart, healthy boy. Love always, Fly Ma. I'm practicing my grandma name, Rajia. That's my other motherfucking Bessie. My motherfucking... Oh, let me stop cursing. That's my sis. Yeah. She know. This is really pretty, Rajia. Like, the bag is super cute. I'm opening up their stuff and unboxing their stuff too, because let me tell you, they did their stuff at the baby shower. Some stuff too they got downstairs that was sent to the house. They didn't get a chance to show people, but I'm just gonna open up their gift because I'm the grandmother that can do that. I can do this, okay? I'm not gonna open it. I'll let them do it, but it is a diaper bag. All right, I decided to open it because I want to see it. I want to see it, y'all. Y'all probably want to see it too. And I know she probably cussing like, I want to see it too. You know? So let me just take it out. Let me just take it out of that. Oh, this is cute. Because it's like a boy colors. The boy colors, super cute. Look, y'all. Ain't that cute? Can y'all see it? Ain't that cute? Wow, Rajia, this is nice. Thank you. Thank you, girl. That is really, really nice. Let me see what this card says, because it says, don't open it. It don't say nothing, girl. It ain't say nothing that they already, okay, whatever. All right, y'all, I got another box. I had to, like, take this out the box off camera because it was super duper heavy. This right here is, let's set it on here. Hold up. This is a shoe storage. So I got a shoe, like, organizer or whatever, a shoe rack type of thing. And I got to put it together. Whoever bought this, it didn't come with any, like, note or message. So thank you to whomever purchased me the shoe organizer, because I needed one. So, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you, and more thank you. All right, y'all. Do I got more? Hold up. I don't know. I made a mess, y'all. Hold up. I got another little package right here. I got a nice, I guess, the pad thing, the cover. So, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. I definitely need a mouse to go with my my MacBook, because I didn't have one. And the one that I had is not wireless. So, this is very much needed. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And I think I have one more. Oh! I'm still here. I almost kicked y'all over, but I'm here. I'm here. Jesus, girl. Pump your brakes. My little light Burberry. Let's see what these Burberries about. Let's see what this Burberry about. Come on with it, y'all. Come on with it. And they don't have no name. Y'all know who it is. Cute little duster. It's like green. Like a green color. Can't really tell because of the lighting. Come on with it. I gotta see if I can fit these. Hold on. I got really little feet. But these are fly. Look at these. Y'all match my nails and everything. Girl, hoops. Tell me they don't know. I tried them on. They fit perfectly. With no I love them. Thank you. And I think that concludes my unboxing. I don't know if stuff still might come in the mail, but I've been waiting to open this stuff forever. People been waiting for me to open up the gifts that they purchased me forever, and I appreciate y'all patience. I love every last one of y'all. Thank y'all for taking the time out to even go out and buy me something, because I know I had 2 things at one time, and everybody's finances is not the same, but I really appreciated it. I appreciate every single gift, every single thought, every single letter. Thank you so much. Thank you for my son's baby shower gifts. Thank you to all the people that attended, that came out, that drove really far to make it and be supportive to us. We really appreciate it. It does take a village, and y'all came out and proved to me that y'all was going to be a part of my village, and I love y'all so much. Thank you so much. And